In this video, we are going to discuss radio advertising and a few of the best practices for building a campaign. Now, let's dive into a few tips on how to actually sharpen up your ads. And first off, you need to make the beginning count. The first few seconds of a radio ad are crucial for grabbing attention. Do not waste time on lame introductions. This is the moment to surprise people with something unexpected. Now, you can do this with sound effects, with music, or with words. Just make sure it is memorable. And never forget, the message is king. You can create an amazingly creative ad, and it will still fall short if the message gets buried. And when it comes to advertising, creativity is only good when it enhances the message itself and gets people to buy. And if your message isn't simple, it is gonna be a dud. Which leads me to the next best practice: keep it simple. You need to examine all of your radio copy and look for words and phrases that don't play a vital role. You need to say something that's unique, something's different, something that people will remember. Just make sure it is the truth. Now, one of the best ways to capture attention is by distinguishing your business from every other advertiser on the radio. From the moment the commercial break starts, the ad starts screaming, "Buy this, buy that, buy it now." By taking a different approach, by being different, this will help set your business apart. And this isn't true with just radio, it's true with all your ads. You have to be different from all of your competitors out there. Remember, people love to buy stuff, but no one really likes to be sold. So don't just sell them, be different and be helpful. And the final best practice: commit and stay consistent. Now, this doesn't mean breaking the bank. A small, well-targeted, well-placed campaign will deliver traffic, leads, and selling opportunities provided you stay consistent. And while a good radio strategy is always consistent, that does not mean letting things run on autopilot. When your campaign starts to feel stale, you need to try experimenting with a different creative approach, or maybe even a brand new placement strategy. You need to surprise the listeners with something new. They just might surprise you as well. So let's wrap this up. Radio advertising is alive and well, and right now, your local radio rep would be more than happy to help you create a campaign that is both effective and cost efficient. And here's the best part: it will go to work building your brand while creating selling opportunities for you and your store.